Is table tennis a dangerous sport? Is table tennis a safe sport or a dangerous sport? Don't worry. Playing table tennis is very safe. The injury does happen in table tennis, however, they are often light injuries and not serious pain. Besides having many health benefits, table tennis is very safe for any age. It's a lifetime sport. There are few injuries. Unlike many combat sports, table tennis is a non-contact sport. Therefore, there are very few injuries and incidents in table tennis. I have explained some common injuries in table tennis. They are not serious. Anyone can enjoy playing table tennis. But can you spend a lifetime playing table tennis? Table tennis is interesting since it is a game that can be enjoyed by individuals of all ages. As a lifetime activity, it's great because it needs some physical skills, but relies more on technique than brute strength. Table tennis, fortunately, is one of the few games that possesses the necessary traits to be enjoyed at any age, making it a great form of a lifetime sport. I have a friend who still plays table tennis even at 89 years old. Amazing! Low-impact sport. Contact sports such as boxing, football, rugby, and wrestling provide unique dangers to certain demographics, including the elderly and younger participants. High-impact sports have their own set of challenges since, in the long run, they can have detrimental health repercussions on the athletes that play them. However, table tennis poses no risk of serious injury to players, making it an ideal sport for both young and old players. No age limitations. It's awesome that table tennis is one of the few sports where brute force has almost no bearing on success. It's a very technical and tactical sport. Junior players and kids can often defeat the senior players. Singles and doubles competitions in the World Veterans Table Tennis Championships are open to players aged from 40, 50 to 80, and 85 years old. It's normal in table tennis to see a young kid of 7 years old playing with a veteran player of 70 years old. Simple to use and budget-friendly. Finally, you might anticipate high financial and time commitments if you plan to play a game for the rest of your life. When compared to the cost of playing other sports, table tennis is surprisingly inexpensive. The essentials for playing aren't very pricey and can be found in many different stores. A ping pong racket and a table are all you need to play this game.